Here we are again. This is the finished wall from my last two videos. Split the last 4 bricks. Like I said, turned out good, turned out even. All looks good. I didn't put any drainage, but the wall looks great. My plan was to finish this before they came out and did this asphalt. And that's kind of what this video is about, actually. I'm already getting it nice and dirty because the road is still mud, but the goal was to get rid of the mud up here, all that rock. It was just insane to walk on. We asked about concrete and about asphalt. All cost a fortune. I was actually surprised at how much it costs, but they said everything in 2021, thanks to Biden, is doubling. So they said in January, all of this went up an extra $2 something a ton. I'm sure they're making a profit on it still because they didn't do it for free. But they showed up with 5 trucks. They had the asphalt layer. They had a skid steer. They had a roller. So, but they quoted us $7,000 basically on this. They laid it pretty thick. Some areas are a little thinner, but they laid it pretty thick. I kind of wish they'd have widened this side out a little more, but they stuck pretty much with the gravel area where it was already layered out. So they didn't have to do a lot of extra work, at least. They said they'd have to put some base in here anyhow. So, but hopefully this doesn't crumble up on me too much and fall apart. But this is definitely nicer to drive on. It's not muddy. Shouldn't tear apart. And this is where the joint was before. I believe it came right through here. He said that's probably where I had to worry about it coming over to concrete. So he actually ran it down pretty far. He went all the way down to there with it and went over the top of this. So all of this is actually a little higher than what it was before, but looks pretty good. And I had him patch a little spot in the road down here at the bottom, which I am not going to walk all the way down there for this, but for another $600 he patched me a little 10-foot area down there, maybe a little more than 10 foot. So I ended up paying $7,575. Jordan Wells, he does asphalt out here in Sevierville. So, but they did it actually in quite a fast amount of time. They were done before I got back to the house at 1:30 or 2. So they were done. They told me to give it about a day and a half at least to let it firm up. I did drive up here to plug in my car yesterday, but we've been leaving the other 2 cars down below. Give it some time. Can't tell. That's probably where the machines went. I see some lines, but I'm sure this will be dirty in no time. It's already getting black. We weren't sure how it would fit along this wall, but so we just told him, I said, yeah, just tie it into it. And he did it pretty good. They just rounded it out up to the wall, came back. So whenever we finish this top of this flower bed and fill it in and make it look like an actual flower bed, this will all look pretty good. It's pretty much done. So, and they rolled it up to the side of all this at least too, because that's what we're wanting. Again, it's hard to get in this house without getting dirt, so made us an actual step to the thing. All right, well, good luck with yours. Hope that's informative. Thank you.